So a couple of weeks ago I went to the corner shop and I spotted this super popular drink which was a little bit pricey, and this is when the idea for this video was born. So in today's video I will be trying popular YouTuber brands, and I'm so freaking excited because I've seen so many people trying these products, and I'm here today to test them and see if they're really worth it. So let's start. Now the first product that we'll be trying today is one of my favorites ever. Like, I am addicted to this drink, and because of that I thought I will get this Chamberlain Coffee. This brand is owned by Chamberlain, and she's the ultimate IT girl. Like, she is the most popular YouTuber ever. She presents Met Gala, she's on cover of Vogue. She is the next level of a YouTuber. I got it from Amazon, and this is how it was shipped. Like, the box was all destroyed, and it's quite sad, but that's okay because inside everything it's still there. I still have 10 bags of coffee, and this is single serve bags fancy mouse blend, tasting creamy body dark chocolate sweet caramel note. She has on her website tons of different flavors. Now she has like matcha and like vanilla matcha and so many things. I got this one, as I mentioned, from Amazon because I didn't want to pay the crazy shipping, which was I think £10 or something. Anyway, I've got this for £21, and it's still a bit pricey for some coffee, let's be honest. Like, for 10 bags this is like £2 for a bag, but okay, let's not complain. This apparently is quite strong, and now I have to wait 5+ minutes for desired strength and to enjoy. And also the cool thing is that I can use it as a cold brew, like just like an iced coffee thing, which is pretty cool. And it's a roasted with love in California. Well, this must be the most expensive coffee I've ever had in my life. Okay, here I have my coffee and it's test time. Let's see how this famous coffee tastes like. Oh, that's really strong. What do you think about it?
It's nice. Very nice.
Yeah, it's actually quite nice. Yeah. I like it. I think I'll add some milk just because I feel it's a bit stronger for my taste. But I think this is how proper coffee should taste like. And I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, I'd say it tastes very much like cafetiere coffee.
Yeah, and I like it. Now the next product that we'll be trying is from a brand called Feastables, and if you know, you know. This brand is owned by MrBeast, which I think is the biggest YouTuber at the moment, or at least by number of subscribers and revenue. His videos are always trending. He's doing lots of charity. His videos, you know, don't need any introduction whatsoever. And I thought I'll be trying this lovely chocolate, which is called MrBeast Bar Crunch Milk Chocolate Feed with puffed rice, and it has only 6 ingredients. I thought this would go really well after that coffee. I got this one from eBay, and I must tell you, the business is really going well because this chocolate was like £5, and I know that's because they're really high in demand at the moment. But let's try and see how it tastes. My chocolate feels all squished and cracked, even though it was packaged with this bubble wrap. I think that doesn't affect the taste, right? So let's open this mystery super in high demand chocolate. Like, this is how it looks. I got a huge chunk. It says devour, so that's definitely what I'm gonna do now. Nice. I mean, I wouldn't change this for my favorite chocolate, which is Linden, but yeah, it's quite nice. I think it's pretty good for 6 ingredients. What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's very nice. I like the crunchy bits in it.
Do you think it's worth like £5 for a bar of chocolate?
I do not. I think, yeah, you'd be better off with a thing of Lindt or Green and Blacks or something, but I mean, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, I mean, for trying, like, why not? Okay, chocolates are nice, but they make you really thirsty. And what's better than some hydration? Well, the next product is called Prime, and you know it. It's owned by Logan Paul and KSI. I know there's lots of controversy related to these YouTubers. I'm not gonna say anything or whatsoever. Like, I
just want to try their products
and see how they are, because everyone's been going crazy about these drinks. Like, if you live in the UK, you've seen so many videos of people stamping themselves trying to get these drinks, and even now they're quite pricey. Like, one of this, it was £4.99, which I think is pretty insane, but we're here to try today. So I've got two flavors. One is blue raspberry, and the next one, I think it's called tropical punch. So I've got two prime hydration drinks today to try them and see how good they are. So the first one that I'll be trying is the raspberry, the blue raspberry, and this is 10% coconut water, 250 milligrams of BCAAs, B vitamins, antioxidants, 700 milligrams of electrolytes. I mean, I know that's all boring. Why do I even read you that? Let's see how it is. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it smells quite nice. I've got my glass, so let's pour some and see how it is. Looks very cloudy. Oh my god. This
is so sweet.
I can't believe this is natural. Like, there must be so much sweetener. This is really, really sweet. Like, over the top sweet. Okay, try the first one and tell me what do you think and what flavor it is.
Ooh, that tastes like blue to me.
Yes, that is blue. What do you think about it?
It's quite nice, actually. As much as I regret to have to say that. Not necessarily a Logan Paul fan or whichever of the Pauls did this, but yeah, that's quite tasty.
Yeah, I think it's a bit too sweet for me.
Yeah.
Would you say that too? I think for me
I
it's a
think
bit
so.
too sweet.
Yeah, I think in a small glass it's nice. I think a whole bottle would be a bit much.
Oh yeah, 100%. Next one, we're trying tropical punch, and let's see if we get a kick from this one. Oh, it looks a bit red. Okay, you would have guessed right away. Oh, I don't like this one. It smells very artificial. Try it.
Okay, I'm trying. Oh my. That it's like a sweet or something, like a little boiled sweet in a drink.
Yeah, it's like a sweet has been left in the sun and it melted and it transformed into this drink. Does it remind you of anything?
It's like liquid marzipan.
Yeah! Oh my god, do you like marzipan?
Yeah, it's like a liquid Battenberg cake, but I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, it smells like that. Very much. It's very pungent. Like,
What's its flavour supposed to be?
Oh, so this one is supposed to be tropical punch.
Yeah,
Which
okay.
I don't think it reminds me of anything tropical. It's more like that cake that you like.
Yeah, it's very almondy.
Okay, I think my favorite is the blue raspberry. What's yours?
Yeah, I think I'll go with that.
Okay, yeah, 100%. This one is a bit much. It's not bad, but I would not choose to drink this. Now, the last product that we'll be trying today is from a brand called Nimya. This is the brand owned by the queen herself, Nikkie Tutorials, the OG of beauty bloggers, YouTubers. She is incredible. I don't think there's anything left to say about her. But today, I'm gonna try this super cute Nimya Spill the Juice lip gloss, and this is in the shade You Didn't Hear This From Me. Now, I've got this one from Space NK, and I was so lucky because it was actually on sale. Sadly, it was one of the last few shades that is still available. Oh, this is really cute. It says, unfollow the packaging of the box for extra tips by Nikkie Tutorials, and she's right here, freaking cute. Do you know what? I love when someone adds so much effort into their brand. Like, you can see that she added her soul into this, because this type of small details say a lot if someone cares about their brand. Oh, it smells like a type of caramel or something. It smells really, really nice. Let's see how it sits on the lips. It feels very, very nice on the lips. It's a bit sticky, but it's really, really nice. Like, I love the color. It's really gorgeous. And my lips feel really, really hydrated. Like, I quite like it. I mean, I don't know if I would buy it if it wasn't owned by her, just because obviously I wanted to try. But I think it's pretty nice for a lip gloss. Alright guys, so that was me trying YouTubers brands, and what do I think about them? I think it was a fun experience. My most favorite one was coffee from Chamberlain. Like, I would actually see myself buying it again because it was so nice. So that was definitely my favorite product. Everything else, okay, you know, it was fun to try, but I don't think I will get it again. And yeah, I'm still sipping my coffee because I really like it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe, and see you next time. Mwah. Bye!